Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB or NAGA. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. That is not honest, and yeah, they're totally different, so I can't tell you which one is better. And the only thing that I can tell you in today's video is what are the differences, and I will do that on 5 topics. And after those 5 topics differences, you can decide by yourself which one you want to use. So let's start right here with the main focus on XTB. And the main focus there is that XTB is a CFD and stock investing platform. And NAGA is the social trading and CFD platform. And if you already see it here on the right, on a NAGA, yeah, you see here 2 persons, and it's a very social trading platform. XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and NAGA is the best for copy traders and social investors. The trading tools on XTB are advanced charting, CFDs, stocks and ETFs, and the trading tools on NAGA are copy trading, CFDs, stocks, crypto and social trading. If you look to the interface, XTB is trader focused and streamlined, and NAGA is a social app-like trading experience. If you go to the fees and trading costs, XTB has stock ETF trades often 0 commission, within limits of course, and the CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. If you look to NAGA, they have no commission on many trades. Costs mainly come from spreads and copy trading related fees. So they put the fees in the spreads. So if you ask me, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs and commission-free stock or ETF investing within limits. And many investors use NAGA for social trading, copy trading and community-driven investing with spread-based pricing. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.